Hello friends, I am Parag Singhal, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss Vapor Absorption Refrigeration System. In short, we call it VARS system. In Vapor Absorption Refrigeration System, we use heat as input energy. Hence, these systems are called heat operated or thermal operated refrigeration system. In VARS system, basically we use low grade heat energy. So these system preferred where low grade heat energy is available or where renewable energy resources are available, like in case of solar energy, these systems are preferred. These basically these systems are used in large scale commercial application in refrigeration and air conditioning applications. Basically these are the simple schematic diagram of VARS system and VCRS system. We can compare the two systems based on these diagrams and understand the whole cycle of VARS system. If we see the VCRS system, in this case we use refrigerant for extracting heat in evaporator, and refrigerant runs in the whole cycle. But in case of VARS system, we use refrigerant and absorbent pair. Like in these systems we use refrigerant, absorbent. We use a pair of refrigerant and absorbent. So if we see the both cycles, the basic difference is here in case of VCRS system we find mechanical compressor, but in case of absorption system, mechanical compressor is replaced by the four components: absorber, expansion device, generator and pump. The cycle works like this. Refrigerant vapor at low temperature and low pressure come out from the evaporator and go to the mechanical compressor, where it is compressed to high pressure, high temperature, and again goes to the condenser where it is condensed, and then its pressure is reduced by throttling in expansion valve, and again go to the evaporator for extraction of heat energy. This is the basic VCRS cycle. But if we see the VARS cycle, in this case the refrigerant vapor at low temperature and low pressure is absorbed by the absorbent in absorber, where heat of reaction is rejected at temperature TO. Now this absorbent and refrigerant mixture is sent to the generator at high pressure by pump, where low grade thermal energy is provided. This increases the temperature of solution, and refrigerant vapor generated, and hot absorbent is sent to the absorber by reducing its pressure by expansion device. Now refrigerant vapor go to the condenser, where it is condensed, and again go to the expansion valve where its pressure is reduced, and then go to the evaporator where refrigeration effect is produced, and heat is extracted QE at temperature T. So if we see the VCRS cycle, here basically here is two temperatures. One is evaporator temperature and another is condenser temperature. But in case of VARS system, here three temperatures: condenser temperature, evaporator temperature and generator temperature. Absorber temperature is same as condenser temperature. So this is same. Now if we talk about the basic difference, then if we see in case of VCRS system, work input is provided in mechanical compressor. But in case of VARS system, mechanical energy is provided in pump heat energy is provided in the generator. So the basic question that comes in our mind, in both the system mechanical work is provided, then what is the difference? What is the difference in VCRS and VARS system? But in case of VCRS system, mechanical input is more compared to VARS system. That is because in case of VCRS system, we compress refrigerant vapor from low pressure to high pressure. But in case of VARS system, we send liquid solution from low pressure to high pressure. Hence, lesser work is required and it is very less compared to VCRS system. And again, in generator, low grade thermal energy is required. If we calculate the COP of both the system, so then COP of VCRS system is QE upon WC. But in case of VARS system, COP will be QE upon QG plus WP. If we compare the COP of both the system, the COP of VARS system is less compared to VCRS system because we require much amount of low grade thermal energy to produce the same amount of refrigeration compared to VCRS system. Hence the COP is less in case of VARS system. But if we compare based on the quality aspect or second law aspect, then VARS system is equally comparable to VCRS system because we use low grade thermal energy and work is high grade thermal energy. So here work is less but its quality is more, but here low grade thermal energy is more but its quality is less. So if we compare based on the quality level, then COP of VARS system is comparable to VCRS system.